Dropshipping, digital marketing, freelancing every year, there's hot stuff that everyone's trying to get in on. But what if I told you there is a whole world of AI side hustles barely anyone is talking about yet? Yeah, we all know about Midjourney and ChatGPT. But how can you actually use that to make money? Well, I spent months researching and testing over 20 different AI tools, and I found 10 hustles with massive potential. And if you stay to the end, I'll reveal one hustle that could bring in the most profit. So let's get started. First up, hustle number 10, which is AI TikTok automation. Now, let's talk AI TikTok automation. This is the future of content creation. Imagine a world where you can post multiple TikTok videos every single day without ever showing up on camera or even writing a script yourself. It sounds too good to be true, but thanks to AI, it's now possible. And guess what? Businesses want this too. They want someone who can take care of their social media so they can focus on other areas of their business. But here's the thing. Creating automated AI TikTok videos is just about pressing a few buttons. It requires creativity, strategy, and understanding your target audience. But if you can master it, the results can be game-changing. This hustle isn't for the faint of heart, but if you're willing to put in the work, it could be a game-changer for you. Let me show you how it works. First, you need an AI video generation tool. There are many options out there, but I recommend using a combination of different tools for the best results. For example, a great option is a free plan available. Next, you'll need a TikTok automation tool. This tool will allow you to schedule and auto-publish your videos too. One option is a paid tool, but there is a 7-day free trial available. And finally, you'll need a reliable internet connection and a device with screen recording capabilities. Now, let me walk you through the process step by step. First, go to the AI video generation tool and select the video type you want to create. Next, enter the prompt for the video you want to create. Make sure to be as specific as possible with your prompt so that the AI can generate exactly what you're looking for. Hit generate and let the AI do its magic. Once the video is generated, download it and move it to your computer. Next, open the TikTok automation tool and sign in. Then click on the Create Post button and select Video from the drop-down menu. Select the video you downloaded earlier and give it a catchy title. Don't forget to add relevant hashtags to your video. Next, schedule the video to be published at an optimal time. You can use the Analytics tab in the TikTok app to find out when your audience is most active and schedule accordingly. Click Publish and let the AI TikTok automation work its magic. Repeat the process as needed and make sure to track your results so you can adjust your strategy as needed. And there you have it. In a few easy steps, you've created and published a video using AI. Just imagine if you can do this once, twice, let alone 10 times per day. Now, picture offering this service to businesses. They would pay top dollar for this, especially if you can show them results. Now moving on to hustle number 9, which is a Chatbot creation. Every business owner wants to save time and money. That's where AI chatbots come in. They're like robots, but instead of assembling cars, they answer customer questions and solve problems. It's like having a never-tiring employee. But here's the cool part. You don't need to code to build one. Using platforms like BotPress and Minahat, you can create powerful AI chatbots with the help of ChatGPT. And the best part, there's a huge demand for this service. Small businesses especially need help with this. But don't worry, you don't have to be a coding genius to get started. There are plenty of resources available to teach you the ropes. Plus, you don't even need to create the chatbot yourself. Hire someone from Fiverr or Upwork to do it for you. Next up, hustle no 8, which is a stock photo generation. People used to buy stock photos, but now they want better, more unique images. Instead of generic photos, they need images that fit their brand and message. That's where you come in. You can create themed stock photo packs using AI, like fitness, travel, or business. Think about it. You can create a bunch of images in one go and sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Not only can you make money from each sale, but you can also attract customers with a portfolio of your work, leading to even more sales. Moving on to hustle number 7, which is AI resume and cover letter writing. Millions of people apply for jobs every day, but not everyone has the skills to write a great resume or cover letter. You can help them stand out from the crowd using AI tools like ChatGPT and Résumé. It's like magic, but with words. So, if you're good with words and understand what makes a great resume or cover letter, you can offer this service to job hunters. And guess what? People are already doing it on Fiverr and making good money. Imagine earning $50 to $150 for something that takes you just an hour. It's a win-win situation. The job seekers get a better chance at landing their dream job, and you get to earn some extra cash. Hustle number 6 is AI short-form video scripting. We're in the golden age of short-form content, from TikTok to YouTube, Shorts, and Instagram. Reels. People love watching bite-sized videos, but not everyone has the time or skills to write engaging scripts for these videos. That's where you come in. With AI tools like ChatGPT, you can generate ready-to-use scripts for YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. This is a huge opportunity for those who are good with words and understand what makes a great short-form video. You can sell script packages or offer subscription-based services to creators. So if you're a wordsmith and love short-form content, this hustle is perfect for you. On to hustle no. 5, which is AI. Voiceover services. Finding the right voice for your project can be tough, but fear not. AI has got you covered. With tools like ElevenLabs, you can generate natural-sounding voiceovers in seconds. Just enter your text, choose a voice, and let the AI do the rest. It's perfect for YouTube, creators, podcasters, and businesses. So, if you have a knack for storytelling and understanding what makes a great voiceover, you can offer this service to creators. Next up, hustle no. 4, which is AI website building. Imagine telling a small business owner, "I can create your entire website in just one day." They'd probably think you're a magician, but it's possible thanks to AI. Tools like Durable AI or Framer allow you to build beautiful websites in minutes, then charge businesses $300, $500, or even more for your services. It's a win-win situation. Businesses get a great website, and you get to earn some extra cash. Moving on to hustle no. 3, which is AI ad creative generator. Creating effective ads can be challenging, but with AI, it's easier than ever. Tools like Canva's AI, ChatGPT, and ad testing platforms make it possible to generate professional-looking ad creatives in minutes. Just enter your keywords and let the AI do the rest. It's perfect for businesses looking to run ads on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So if you're good with numbers and understand what makes a great ad campaign, you can offer this service to businesses. Now on to hustle no. 2, which is AI study helper. Students are always looking for ways to succeed academically, and AI can help them do just that. With tools like ChatGPT, you can help students summarize research papers, explain complex concepts, and generate flashcards and notes. Just ask the chatbot anything, and it'll spit out an answer in seconds. It's like having a personal tutor, but without the hourly rate. So, if you're a teacher or tutor, this hustle is perfect for you. Finally, we've reached hustle no. 1, which is AI, ebooks, and courses. Digital products are a great way to make passive income, and AI makes it even easier. With tools like ChatGPT, you can create ebooks, guides, and mini-courses in days, not weeks or months. Just enter your keywords and let the AI do the rest. You can sell these on Amazon, Kindle, Gumroad, or even bundle them into your own membership site. It's like having a personal assistant who never takes a break. So if you're a writer or a course creator, this hustle is for you. These 10 AI side hustles are the wave of the future. The truth is, AI won't replace everyone, but it will replace the people who ignore it. So why not get ahead of the curve and start one of these AI side hustles today? Don't wait for others to beat you to it. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Wallet Mode for more AI side hustle ideas. Thanks for watching.